Hello everybody, let's continue our modern JavaScript fundamentals learning. So this lesson we discuss about define variables. In JavaScript, we have three ways to define a variable. One is use let. Let is the modern JavaScript feature. We can use let to define local variable or global variable. The other one is var. Var usually to define, it's an older school way of define JavaScript variables. So it's once you use var, it's a global variable, no matter where you define it. And then the other one is a const. Const is used to define constant variables. So first, we use let, we can define the variable, then set the value like in the other line. It will work. And we also can to define a variable at the same time and set the value to it. So we can define multiple variables in one line like this, use a comma. We also can define multiple variables like this, use a comma and multiple lines. We also can do this and use var like this. There's no difference in the form side. Actually, it looks pretty similar. We just change let to var. Instead, var is used to define global variables. So let is used to define the variable within the current scope. Within the current scope, yeah. So we define this hello string variable, and then we define this message. We can change the message by hello, then we get the same value for the hello. We can define the meaningful name like camel case. So usually like this. User, the first the lowercase, and the name. The n is big letter. So for number test 1 to 3. So this code style, the name convention is using camel case. Yeah, the special variable name like dollar or underscore. Yeah, it's allowed in JavaScript, although it looks very weird. So this one works. So you also can use non-English characters like this and this. So yeah, we need to pay attention to the variable name. It doesn't allow the variable name starts from the digital numbers. Like 1A is not legal name in JavaScript, and my dash name, the dash because it's minus the math symbol, so it's not allowed as well for the names. And also like the other programming languages, JavaScript has reserved keywords like let and return itself. So for the if you use strict mode or you don't use the strict mode, for example, then you can define the variable like this. It works if you use the old school style without using strict mode. And yeah, if you use strict mode, this one won't work. It will give you error. So you can define the constant variable like this. It's very useful for certain context. For example, you are using a lot of colors, you are using a lot of constant names. Yeah, try to pass some keys for your map or for your dictionary. It's a very convenient way of define constant variables in JavaScript. Yeah, these variables, how to define variables in JavaScript. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.